On New Year's Eve, Papa Max baked tiny cookies, Mama Luna hung shining lights, and baby Milo tried to stay awake. But at 11:45 p.m., Milo fell asleep on his blanket, tail curled tight. When fireworks began, Max gently lifted him. "Happy New Year, my little star." Milo blinked awake. "Papa, my wish, we stay together always." Luna hugged them both. Max kissed Milo twice. Always, under sparkling skies, their first wish of the year came true. Family together.
टून टाइम लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना।